this video, I'm going to show you how to complete worksheet style assignments in Google Docs. So if you are in my tech class, this is assignment number 11. So you can go ahead and click on the button that will take you to the assignment. So you are going to open the Google Doc. It's actually not below, but over to the side here. And you are going to complete the activities and then turn it in. So there are a few things in Google Docs that are different from the way you can do assignments in Google Slides. So I am going to type, and one of the things is I can't really set the formatting ahead of time. I kind of can, but it's a little bit more difficult for me to do so. I guess I could, if you clicked exactly where I wanted it to start, it could work. But you can just kind of change the font if you want, or you could change the font if you want, I guess. But the color and make it bold so it kind of stands out so it's obvious to see where your answers are. So the day of the week today is Friday. So there are a few ways that you can answer kind of a multiple choice question. So you can either change just the color of the font or of the typing here, or you could fill in this box with like a light shade. So I select yellow, or again, you could also highlight it, any color that you wanted. I would try to steer away from red because I'll kind of use that as my way to mark your incorrect answers. So maybe I'll just do green here. And you can, so either change the color of the font, highlight it, or change the color of the box. And that way it's pretty obvious that that is your answer. The most recent thing you've eaten for breakfast, I ate McDonald's breakfast, burritos, and a hash brown. I have not eaten lunch yet. So again, I didn't format the text, so if I wanted it to kind of stand out, blue's a pretty good standard color. Okay, so then this is an example of a checkbox question. Which of the following drinks do you enjoy? So again, like with the agenda, if you watch that video on the slides, I have to highlight or click once, then click again to deselect all the other options, and then right click on my mouse or mouse pad and check the arrow. So I also like coffee, so I click once, I click again, so only coffee is selected. Right click, checkbox. I do like tea. I do like Gatorade. Really, at this point, it would probably be faster just to check them all and then uncheck the ones I didn't like, which is Kool-Aid. Right click, and then I put that as a box like that. Although that kind of, I am a bit more, not OCD, because I do not have OCD, but I'm a bit more particular about things looking uniform. So I do not like sparkling water. I think it tastes like really bitter and gross. And I don't like Kool-Aid because I think it tastes like watered down juice. So then I check all the options that I enjoy and leave the ones that I do not unchecked. Okay, so then the next question is asking me to insert an image of my favorite animal in the box below. So I can right click and I guess not really do anything there. Sorry. Insert image. If I had a picture of my favorite animal upload or downloaded to my computer, I could upload it. I could use Drive. I could use my Google Photos by URL. I could use a camera if I had a picture of my favorite animal. But really what I'm going to do is just search the web here for an image. My favorite animal is a cat. I'm very plain. This is a cute one. I'm going to click it and I'm going to insert it. And then I'm going to just make sure size-wise it's not like taking over the whole page and it looks pretty good. Okay. So then I'm going to add an image by taking a photo of a piece of paper with my camera. So you have a camera on your Chromebook and you are going to take a picture, making sure the cursor is in this box. Insert image camera. This is really hard to do because you want to give it permission and allow it. Making sure that it is centered, and you press the camera button, so that's good, and insert it. Okay, so you can use the paper to cover up your face. That's what I did. So, but it's also kind of hard to see. You can see me peeking out here. It's hard to see where the paper is in orientation with the camera. So then that's you taking a picture of a piece of paper with your camera. So those are the ways that you can complete worksheet style activities in Google Classroom using a Google Doc. So you will see different types of activities like this in pretty much all of your classes, I'm sure, where you will be completing these types of activities. So when you're done, again, Google Docs has this handy turn in button. So then it will just bring it up and start the turn in process for you. So then you can click turn in. All right, that's all there is.